Yeah, he has, bro. Yeah, I'll just paddle my ass over. Just watch me, bro. I want to come and latch on. I'm latching.
This fucking succubus of a dog.
Yeah.
Oi.
Oi. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Oh, it's the reel. It's not.
Oh my god.
Bro, that is a fucking.
Bro, that's
bream.
bigger than mine.
You can grab me. Oh, no, I'm gonna. Oh.
Yeah.
No, it looks good.
Bro, that is a fucking donkey of a bream, bro. That's right.
Oh, I like just rehooked him.
Fuck. What?
What the fuck?
What the actual fuck? Oh, wait, let me just give it some slack, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, it's my fish, bro. I haven't hooked. Oh, bro, good effort. Bro, that's bigger than mine, man. Oh, dude.
That's legal bream, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, just come on, bro.
Man, I kind of want to take this home so I can fucking show Dad in person, because
Bro, that is.
Believe me, man.
That, bro, that's four. Oh, that's as big as mine, man.
That's 40 to the fork, man.
Oh, bro, let me just take. Oh, I can't. Yeah, hold on. Fuck, bro, good work. I think yours lengthwise the same, but mine was fatter.
Yours was a foot.
Yeah.
Bro, you wanna keep it?
Yeah, fuck off, bro. Nice.
Holy shit.
That is a bro.
You rolling? You want to get a release?
Yeah, I have him.
Yeah, bro. He fucking just takes off with my grips.
Bro, mate, just be careful. Yeah, about to say, bro, you fucking might, man.
I love it, just fucking starts attacking me. Nice.
There he goes.
Wait.
Oh yeah, he's definitely legal.
Yeah. 30?
Oh, beautiful.
31?
No, it's definitely 38, I reckon. Because you have to keep in mind, flooded are fairly long fish. Yeah.
Oh shit. 45.
Yeah, no, exactly right, bro. Oh, that feels right. Yep, that feels right. Whatever that is. That feels like a flathead for sure. Oh god. I'll try and pull it out. I just tighten up that. I just loosen up the drag a bit on out, just a bit. Oh, it's a brimbo. Oh, quality bream. Quality bream. Hello, mate. What's going on? Mate, if you need to fight. Go ahead. Quality bream. Oh, quality bream. Not as big as Lucas. Oh, he's a good bream, man. The Hawkesbury's been producing some good bream. He's got plenty of fight in him. Come on, hey, come on. Gotta hold that dog tight. Oh, he's a quality bream. He's easy. He's probably 30. Easy bream. Easy. Easy. Beautiful. Oh, he's gorgeous. There you are. See you, mate. Oh. I can wash my hands here because it's a Hawkesbury. If it's a Parramatta River, my hand will probably mutate. Oh, quality bream. Quality bream. Oh, that's a big fish. That's a fish. Oh, gotta be careful, gotta be careful. Oh. No, no, never mind. Why does it feel like it's moving? What? No, it's gonna be. Oh, you know why? Oh. No, there's something on there, but he's wrapped himself around something. What? There's definitely a fish on there. Oh, it's got me wrapped around. Whatever it is. Oh no, hold on. Oh, there we are. He's got them fine, yeah. Oh, yeah, hold on. He's got them fine, yeah. He's up there dry. Luke, I'm on. Oh, hold on. Just make sure it doesn't bust me. Oh, it's a brimbo. Another brim. too. Yeah, he's alright. That's weird. I didn't even feel him hit, eh? It's alright, mate. It's alright. Settle down. Settle down, mate. I'll pop this hook out, yeah. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Oh, how good's that? Come on. Off the top too. Oh. Yep. Oh, shit. Oh, he feels alright. There it is. It's a bream, I think. Another bream off the top. I sort of want to have some fun with him. I'll tire him out if I want to. Beautiful, off the top. Just cast at those rocks over there. Oh man. Oh, easy mate. There we go. Come on. It's got to tire him out, that's all. If he wants to run, he can run. I don't care. I've got him. Where plies that? There. There we go. Come on, hook's good, eh? Which is good. Alright, just gotta be careful I don't drop my fucking pliers, but there you go.